What are you sniffing for? What are you sniffing? There's mousies in there. And then there's birds in there. Look, so they just had a bath. You can see the water. Do you smell them? Over here. Is there birdies in here? Oh, over here. Over here. Hello. Up here. You see them? Yeah, you smell them. Look, they go poop. You smell them? You smell the birdies. And then all the mousies over here. Look at all the holes, you dog. You caught one, right? Yeah. And over here, they live in the rocks, right? So she goes in here. You smell them? Oh, too far. I don't know if you heard her collar beep. That's as far as she can go. So she doesn't run off into the road, other people's yards. Nice and safe. It just beeps. Doesn't hurt. Just beeps. That's for my hammock. So I tie the other end of the rope to that pillar, and then I sleep in my hammock here with Bailey. Once the sun comes back out. Right? Once the sun comes back out. What are you looking for? You smell the mousies and the birds. We had a squirrel today, didn't we? Where's the squirrel? Go find him. Go find a squirrel. He's in that tree right there. You looking for the squirrel? Go find the squirrel. You gotta use your nose. I don't know where he is. Go find him. Sniff, 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 sniff. Lots of sniffing. Back on the mousy trail. I don't know. After you killed that one, I don't know where the rest of them went. There's 3 holes there from them. I think you got them. Hey? Don't sniff the dirt. And you choke at night. Then you choke. Where are we going now? Oh, a mosquito. Bailey got a mosquito bite inside her ear. Itchy, itchy. Always scratching, especially at night. Hey, did you get a mosquito bite in your ear? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go back here. You're just going to hang out over there? You coming? There you go. How about the bird bath? Look, there's a feather. Hey, you can smell them. Need to get clean water in here. You good? You gonna keep sniffing? Alright, I got my wine over there. You have fun. It's perfect. And then she tires herself out right before bedtime. And then she sleeps. It's awesome. Alright. Bye, everyone.